Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetTools.com, and today we are going to review some of the cases which we have got from TYLT. So from TYLT.com you can actually buy these cases. These cases which we have got are from TYLT.com, and they can be used with iPhone 5 or 5s. As you can see, in terms of the overall design, these cases look good. One of them has a glossy kind of a finish with these red lines which actually look very cool, I would say. I have been using this case for like more than a month now, so it has got some kind of, you can say, fingerprints and some other scratches as well to an extent, but again from an angle or from a distance it actually looks very good. You won't be able to notice any fingerprints and scratches on this one from a distance. Again, it has a kind of a glossy finish to it, but again looks very premium, I would say, in terms of the overall look and feel, and very stylish as well because of these red lines which are there. And when it comes to the overall case, it is designed in such a way that it has two layers. One is the red layer which we have over here inside, and then you have a black layer above that which is in glossy finishing, I would say, and then you have the rubber material inside which is again very good, and the overall build quality of this case is also very good. So it is quite solid and it can protect your device very nicely. I have also by mistake I've dropped my iPhone like 3 to 4 times with this case on applied, and nothing happened to the phone. It also gives you a good protection as well. And then we have this case which is a kind of another rubber kind of a case, but again this one is also pretty good in build quality. Both of these cases are actually designed almost on the same design language, but there is a difference, as you can notice easily. So there is a difference which you can easily notice, and then we have a blue plus black combination in terms of the overall color, and this one have the red plus black. Both of them looks pretty cool. And one thing which I have noticed is that the overall cutouts which we have on both of these cases are also pretty good. Again, this one, this part, the rubber part, basically it actually bends like this over some time of usage, and it will also gather some dust. So again, this one is slightly better because I have used this one and this one, both of these cases, almost for the same time. For around 1 month I have used this one, and for 1 month I have used this one. But the kind of thing which I see on this case is not that good, because this rubber actually bends in the middle, which does not look good. But again, once you apply this case on your iPhone, it looks pretty good. There is no problem as far as the ports and connectivity is concerned. So first of all, let me just apply this one onto my iPhone 5. And the best way to actually put your iPhone 5 into this is put the first left part, and then you have to press the phone inside the case to make it fit properly. And once you do it, you will have a proper grip of this case, which is quite tight. There is no loose points which we can notice as of now. And again, it also comes little bit above the display, so it will provide a protection of your phone once you place the device like this with this case on, and so the display won't touch the surface, so it will protect the display to an extent. Apart from this, if we take a look over the back side looks very cool with TYLT branding over here, and you have these nice red lines which actually looks very good and give the device a kind of a sporty look. On top, the power and sleep key is easily accessible with this, and you can easily access the volume buttons as well without any issues. You have good amount of feedback as well. You have proper access to the mute key as well, so there is no blockage for the mute key. And the ports over here, as far as the loudspeaker and the microphone is concerned, are not blocked. But again, the loudspeaker mesh is little bit blocked over here, but it does not affect the overall sound quality. You have proper access for the 3.5mm audio jack as well, so there is no blockage for that. You can actually insert the original iPhone cable into this. However, the third party headphones may not get properly fit with this case, which is little bit thicker, as you can see. And from the front it looks pretty good, especially on my white iPhone 5. It looks pretty good with the kind of combination which we have in terms of colors, the white, red and black, so it looks pretty cool. Now as you can see, the second case is like this, and let's See how does this case look like on the iPhone 5, and the same way you can mount this case as well. And now as you can see, there is no blockage for the power and sleep key. The camera is also not blocked, just like the previous one. So both have the same design. So the camera is not blocked, the LED flash is also not blocked, the secondary microphone is also not blocked. And when we take a look over the bottom loudspeaker over here on this one is properly accessible, so there is no blockage at all. The 8-pin jack is also accessible. You have the microphone which is accessible. The 3.5mm audio jack is also accessible. You have proper access for the volume rocker, so the volume buttons are accessible. Mute button is also not blocked, so there is no problem. So in terms of the look and feel, I would say the look from the front looks very good. You have the combination of blue and white, which looks really good. And one thing which I do not like is the rubber part, basically, which actually bends itself over time once you use this case. But apart from that, there is no problem. Again, it is not a problem. You can actually move it slightly over here and you can insert the cable, and there is no problem for the cable insertion as well. As far as the backside is concerned, the backside is matte finish on this one with TYLT branding over here. Also looks cool. So both of these cases actually look very good. You can offer any one of them as per the look you want. And again, this one also gives you a protection from the front part, because the case is little bit above the display, so it will give you a protection for the front display as well once you have the device like this on a table with upside down. So that's all from us as far as the cases review for the TYLT. We will also come up with more reviews of more TYLT cases which we have. So do let us know what are your views about these two cases which we have showcased. And you can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.